All right, so just a real quick review on this, the new red Apple Watch. So I got the color really because I'm a Georgia fan and I just wanted something that's red, but I wasn't huge on the, oh, let's see. Sorry guys, I had to clip my nails because I started doing this review and I just realized, damn, my nails looking a little crusty. But anyhow, so I'm just doing a quick review on this Apple Watch Red. This is the new Series 7. So really, when I got it, I knew I wasn't gonna keep these, these bands because it's really in your face. I always had the vision of like, all right, I'm gonna pair it up with this black. I realized there's no video of anyone showing what it looks like. The new one with the black band, this is the Nike band. So I figured I'd make a video for anyone out there that's curious, just like I was, and I couldn't find one. But here it is, and really it's just so you can see kind of what it looks like. And I'll do some shots here with it on my hand. And some, let's see, this is a, let's see. This is a good face that I use with this. Let's see, another good one is, the Bulldog, of course, Go Dogs. This one looks pretty good. That looks good too, because this isn't like hardcore black. It's like a black, but really, I don't know, kind of grayish tone to it. And this is probably my go-to face. It just looks clean, and I really like the look of this black band with the red. Is, it pops, but it's not too much. It's for me. That's why I didn't go with these. I rocked it for a while, but man, it's just a little too much for me. But this looks really good. Let me do a couple shots with it on my hand so you can see what it looks like on a wrist. All right, so this is what it looks like on the wrist. Looks clean, simple. Just for comparison, I'm gonna put the red bands on so you can see how much more of a pop it has. This is just, for me, the right amount, just sticks out just enough, and that red looks really clean. Let me put the red band on and show you what that looks like. What it looks like with the red band. This looks good. Hey, if you like it and you just like that pop, man, that still looks pretty solid. But I prefer the black band. But anyways, that's it. Let me know if you want me to post another video. Thanks. Before I forget, a little last bit of advice is be careful. The screen is pretty scratch resistant, but I was walking across a granite counter that I have, and look at that. Just one slight pass the wrong way, and it just went all the way across diagonally. Look at that.